Is Fitbit down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Fitbit right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Fitbit. I already went on Twitter and searched for Fitbit, and if you do that and then if you go to the latest tweets, you will see that people are complaining with problems, servers problems of Fitbit right now. There are a lot of messages, people are complaining non-stop. So as you can see here, you are not the only one who has issues with it. You don't have to worry about it. Liane says, I just logged out to try and fix issues and have tried to log in, and now it says server error. So guys, you don't have to worry about it. This problem it's from there. You just have to wait until they fix it. As you can see, people already tried to fix this problem, but mainly you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with Fitbit right now, you can comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts, if it's still down, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and comment and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.